Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to hide your TikTok account from contacts. Let's go. TikTok is a social media platform for creating, sharing, and discovering short videos. The app is used by young people as an outlet to express themselves through singing, dancing, comedy, and lip syncing, and allows users to create videos and share them across a community. Now, if you want to hide your content from your contacts and protect yourself from unwanted attention, then follow these steps. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the TikTok app. Once you find it, tap on it, and then there you will see an option, Contacts. So if you have this toggled on, that means TikTok has access to your contacts. If you don't want your contacts to find your TikTok account, simply toggle this off. Now your TikTok account is hidden from contacts on your phone. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.